Hello, welcome again. We are covering the subject theory of machine for civil service mains, IFS, and various gate exam. Now we are discussing the topic equivalent mechanism in the chapter of mechanism and machine, and we have discussed sliding pair in place of turning pair. So the second part or the second replacement of is your spring in place of turning pair. So we know that the spring extends and contracts, or it can be subjected to tension or compression. So here this similar variation is given by a binary link. Suppose we have this link OB. So when it rotates, the distance between AB and AB varies. Here when it is at this position, the distance is this AB, and when it is at this position, the distance is this AB. So it is extending. So it means binary links are similar kind of springs. So these two binary links 4 and 5 can be replaced by spring. So as this link 4 rotates, the distance between this point and this point changes. Here it is different, here it is different. So this section can be done also by spring. So this 4 and 5 can be replaced by spring. So here, reading this out, spring in place of turning pair. The action of a spring is to elongate or shorten as it becomes in tension or in compression. A similar variation in length is accomplished by two binary links joined by a turning pair. In figure A, this is your figure A. The length AB varies as OB is moved away or towards point A. As OB is moved away, or the distance varies. Move away or towards point A. Figure B shows a 6-link mechanism in which link 4 and 5 have been replaced by spring. So these 4 and 5 are replaced by spring. As spring is not a rigid link, but it stimulates the action of binary links joined by a turning pair. So it simulates these two turning pair. Therefore, to find the degree of freedom of such a mechanism, a spring has to be replaced by binary link. So if we have this link as spring, then it will be treated two binary links, 4 and 5. This next equivalent mechanism is cam replaced by turning pair. So for degree of freedom, the general formula is F is equal to 3 n minus 1 minus 2 P2 minus P1. Here P2 is your lower pair and P1 is your higher pair. And for mechanism, the degree of freedom should be 1. So putting F is equal to 1 and taking only the lower pair, then this formula is this. So initially we assume that there is no higher pair. So P1 is 0. So formula for mechanism is 1 is equal to 3 bracket n minus 1 bracket close minus 2 P2, or P2 will be 3n minus 4 by 2. So if we put n is equal to 4, then P2 will be 4. So that was there in 4 bar mechanism that we have considered. Here these are the 4 links and 4 lower pairs are there. So if n is 4, P2 is 4. Similarly, if n is 6, for this to be mechanism, P2 should be 7, putting here n is equal to 6, and so on. So now suppose we have cam and polar arrangement. And in cam and polar arrangement there is one higher pair. So P1 value is 1, and as it is mechanism, so degree of freedom is 1. So formula becomes this: 3 bracket n minus 1 bracket close minus 2 P2 minus 1. So P2 formula is 3n minus 5 by 2. So now if we put n is equal to 3, then P2 is 2. Here n was 4, P2 was 4. So if we add one link here, make it 4, and add two link here, two lower pair here, then these are same. So in cam and co-load mechanism, there are three links, two lower pair, one higher pair. So now two lower pair and one higher pair is replaced by four lower pair, or two lower pairs is already there, or we can say one higher pair is replaced by two lower pair and one link. Okay, so replacement is possible. Or when, according to this formula, when n is 5, P2 is 5, and so on. So this can be understood by this diagram also. Suppose we have 4-bar mechanism. This is your A, B, C, D. So now in place of this AB, we place a gear or cam like this, and in place of this DC, we can put this. Now there is point contact here, and it is a mechanism, because point contact means this and this has point contact or higher pair. So there is one higher pair, and this make one lower pair. This and this make one lower pair. So two lower pair and one higher pair is same as that of 4-bar chain. In 4-bar chain there are 4 number of links and 4 lower pairs. There is no higher pair. So one higher pair can be replaced by one link and two additional lower pair. Okay. So last line is comparison of this linkage having turning pair only indicate that a cam pair can be replaced by one binary link. If we want to replace this cam by this, then this is the binary link with two turning pair at each end, additional two turning pair